Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm creating Punjabi festival Lohri traditional makeup look. So guys, I will show you step by steps without delay or time. Let's begin. So first I'm going to start with my skincare. So I clean my skin properly. So make sure you clean your face properly first before you start to makeup. So guys, always I told you to skincare is very important before the makeup. First product I'm going to apply Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum for republish smooth and softened skin. This is very lightweight. I'm going to apply moisturizing from e.l.f. Holy Hydration. Next, I'm going to use from Clinique Shorts moisturizing spray to keep my skin more hydration. Next, I'm going to apply eye cream from Forever Living Aloe Vera. Help to reduce black circle eyes, wrinkles and puffiness. This is very lightweight and non-greasy. Next, I'm going to apply lip balm from Vaseline Rosy Lip Balm to keep lips plump and smooth. So after all my skincare, I'm going to do after 5 minutes, I'm going to start my makeup. I'm going to let all products work on my skin first. Next, I'm going to apply primer from Revolution. Next, I'm going to do color correcting. So guys, I'm using peach color correcting from NYX to cover under black circle eyes and uneven skin tone or where I have got black patches. So always use color correcting according to your skin conditions. Guys, just blend out properly and make sure your color correcting is dry before you apply the foundation, especially if you're using the dark orange color correcting. Next, I'm going to apply foundation from NYX Caramel. This is the medium coverage, only taking 2 pumps. I'm going to apply with my finger, dot. For blending, I'm going to use damp beauty sponge. Keep blending till it's smooth and evenly applied. If you use the damp beauty spoon, you can get flawless result. Don't forget to apply in your neck. Always apply leftover. Next, I'm going to apply concealer from Maybelline Fit Me 30. I'm going to apply under my eyes. In forehead. In chin. Then I'm going to apply where I have got little bit black spot near mouth. I'm going to leave concealer like that about 2 to 3 minutes to become tacky. Next, I'm going to apply liquid blush from Hidden. small beauty sponge to blend out. Next, I'm going to blend out concealer. Then I'm going to let it dry concealer. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows. So eyebrow pencil I'm using from MUA, Define Micro Pencil. And I'm just going to fill the sparse area. First, I'm going to comb my eyebrow upward. I'm going to apply loose translucent powder, and I'm going to apply slightly around the face, under my eyes, and where's a T-zone where I normally start to sweat. Makeup, so eyeshadow palette I'm using from Huda Beauty. Then first color I'm taking light skin color. I'm going to apply in my eye crease and eye bone, taking very less amount and keep building up. So make sure there is no harsh lines and you blend out seamless. Next color I'm going to apply dark brown color. Just apply outer corner eyes. Just create like a V shape first. Then I'm going to take a small brush. Then I'm going to blend out till they smooth. Next, I'm going to apply eye pencil, outer corner eyes, for extra intense and more smoky look. So just create outer corner eyes like a small V. Then take a small brush and just blend out. Then I'm going back same color, taking a little bit again. Then I'm going to diffuse the two colors together to make sure there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take golden shimmer color, then taking flat brush like that. Just apply corner of eyes till in the middle. So look at guys how beautiful this look. Next I'm going to apply eye pencil. Next, I'm taking light color again, then taking a small flat brush, just to apply our lashes and a smoke out. Next, I'm going to apply mascara from MUA, long lengthening mascara. Next, I'm going to apply powder bronzer. For nose, I'm taking little bit powder bronzer in my finger like that. I'm just going to apply from here. Then going to blend out from my finger. Next, I'm going to apply liquid blush. So I'm taking two types from same company, Hydran. Then I'm going to apply light pink first, only one dot. And another one is a little bit darker than that one. Blend with the brush. Next, I'm going to apply big highlighter from Kiko Milano. Just apply in a high point of cheekbone. Same highlighter I'm going to apply in my eyebrow bone. Same lighter I'm going to apply corner of my eyes. Same highlighter I'm going to apply top of my nose little bit. Next, I'm going to apply lip liner. This is from MUA. This is the dark burgundy color. I'm taking a small brush like that, lip brush, then I'm going to blend out. Second lipstick I'm using from Huda Beauty. This is a nude color. Then I'm going to apply in the middle. So guys, this is my final look. Very traditional suit I'm wearing. This is very designer chunni. And I have got jhumka, tikki, and I made a gut, small gut in the back. So this is the very, very traditional Lohri look. So this is my first video in 2024. So everyone, happy new year. Hopefully you had a brilliant new year and Christmas. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.